Hello, I'm Tutor, and today we're going to be looking at tissues and organs. But first, multicellular organisms. So, multicellular organisms. We have specialized cells grouped into tissues. Excuse my bad handwriting. Combining to make organs, which make up organ systems. So multicellular organisms like us need specialized cells to survive, unlike unicellular organisms like bacteria. And specialized cells are cells that have differentiated. What does differentiated mean? It means these cells, first of all, you were just a fertilized egg cell. And then as the cells began to divide and duplicate themselves, some of the cells differentiated. And that means some of the cells changed. And they changed to perform a specific function or job, like nerve cells, like muscle cells. Okay? And before that, they were just stem cells, undifferentiated cells. Okay, now we're going to move on to tissue. Okay, so we have three different types of tissues, three main different types of tissues. Now, first of all, what is a tissue? Okay, I'll start again. Now, first of all, what is a tissue? A tissue is a group of the same cells working together for a specific function. Here we have three muscle cells, and because they are working together, this is a muscular tissue. Okay, we have three main different types of tissues. I'm going to go through each one of them. So the muscular tissue, what it does is it contracts. Contracts for movement. Now, glandular tissue, here we have secretory cells, and because we have the same secretory cells working together to perform a specific function, it is a glandular tissue. Okay, you could call them glandular cells if you wanted to. So, what they do is they secrete enzymes or hormones. Secrete enzymes or hormones. And here we have epithelial tissue. Why is it epithelial tissue? Because we have the same epithelial cells working together. And what these do is they cover the outside of your body or your internal organs, such as your stomach. And now we're going to move on to organs. Okay, so organs. What's an organ? An organ is a group of different tissues working together to perform a specific function, to do a specific job. Here I'm going to use the example of the stomach. The stomach is an organ. And this organ is made up of different tissues working together, which I just went over just before. The muscular tissue, the glandular tissue, and the epithelial tissue. And these three tissues, they work together to perform a specific function, which we will find out what it is later. Now, the muscular tissue, it will contract. It will contract to churn the food in the stomach. The glandular tissue, it will secrete enzymes. We have epithelial tissue, which will cover the inside and outside of the stomach. And all these tissues work together so that digestion can occur in the stomach. Okay? Not just any enzymes are released, digestive enzymes are released. And also some glands in the stomach, they release hydrochloric acid. So then it destroys bacteria. Yes. And the exam board likes asking you about the stomach and the different tissues and what they do for the stomach and how they help with digestion. So you should learn these. Okay, organ systems. Now I have drawn this for you. and I expect you to learn this because it's really useful. So organisms made up of organ systems. Organ systems working together. Organ systems are made up of organs working together, and organs are made up of tissues working together, and tissues are made up of cells working together. It's useful if you learn this so that you don't get confused in the exam. Now I'm going to use the example of the digestive system. This is an organ system in your body. And here we have 3 different organs: the mouth, the stomach, and the small intestine. Now obviously you've got more organs involved in the digestive system, but I've only included the main ones. And the stomach relies on the mouth to start breaking down the food. For example, starch into glucose. And the small intestine relies on the stomach to fully digest the food so that it can release the nutrients into the bloodstream by diffusion, and that your body can absorb these nutrients and use them. Yeah. You should know more about the digestive system in more detail, but that's another video. I'm just using it here as an example for organ systems. So that's all I'm going to say today. This has been the Awesome Tutor. Bye!